Hello everyone, if you want to see how I made these noodles, keep watching. The ingredients I use in making these noodles include onion, carrot, green beans, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, peas, tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, groundnut oil, stock water, and then salt. I added a little amount of groundnut oil, allow it to get hot a little, then added my onion and then fried a little. I allowed the onion to fry a little. Then I went ahead and added tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper. I also allowed it fry. After it has fried, I added the green beans, the peas, and the carrots, and then I stir it. After that, I added the sauce that came with the noodles. You know, most noodles usually come with a sauce, so that's what I added. That's what I'm adding right now. So after adding that, I added the stock water. If you don't have stock water, you can just go ahead and add your normal water. It will still come out nice. After that, I added a little bit of salt for taste. I allowed it to boil. Then after it has boiled, I now added the noodles. If you notice, I didn't break the noodles. I just put it here. Then cover it, allow it to soak. After it soaked, then I went ahead to turn the other part to also allow it to soak. Then what I did was that the water was not enough, so I'll go ahead and add a little amount of water. Be mindful of the quantity of water you add so that you won't add too much water. So after adding the water, I covered it, allow it to cook for some time, then opened it again and then turned it. As you can see, it's now soft and can easily turn, so I turned it. When turning it, I noticed that the water will still not be enough to cook the noodles, so I added just a little amount of water again. I'm trying to make sure that I turn it properly. You can see me adding the water, so I added a little amount of water. After that, it has cooked. Then the final thing is to add the green bell pepper and red bell pepper, just to make the color pop. And I stir it very well so that all the ingredients will be incorporated into the noodles. You can see how the noodle is looking delicious. Not just that it's looking delicious, it also tastes delicious. Then you can go ahead and serve. You can try this. Believe me, you will love it. You will love this method. So you can see how it is. So it's like, come your way next time.